Денеска на МТМ ке гледате 19 часот и 30 минути. Утре за денес.
Hell, man, you can't find us a cleared path. Wildlife knows to stay away from the public park. You want to hunt game? Cut your own path.
You with your switchblade passing. I'll get my gun from that out. Put it to the like cut by. Don't get who's cutting now.
Oh, you're a badass, Denny. Still got the price tag on your pants.
Leave it, dude. 30 days, I can return them.
Shut up. We won't see any game as you guys keep yapping.
Во 22 часот и 15 минути. CSI Miami.
Something's behind those pines. Whitetail deer feed around here.
Well, let's go get them.
Slow down. Find a spot. And then wait. And let them come to you.
Rob, you see anything?
No. Dennis?
Watch carefully, gentlemen. This is how it's done.
Way to go, Rambo.
Hey, guys. Isn't it weird that they're running towards us?
Во 23 часот и 45 минути. Новелата Сладка тајна. Не пропуштајте.